Are you looking to maximize your Instagram Reels engagement? Understanding the best time to post IG Reels can significantly impact your reach and interaction with your audience. Whether you're a business owner, influencer, or content creator, timing plays a crucial role in the success of your Instagram Reels. What are Instagram Reels? They are short, entertaining videos that offer a diverse range of creative options. Instagram Reels enable you to record and edit multi-clip videos with audio, effects, and various creative tools, making it easy to produce captivating content within a 15 to 90-second time frame. With the ability to reach a larger audience beyond your followers, Reels present a valuable opportunity to amplify your presence on Instagram. Why are Instagram Reels important for engagement? They are a valuable tool for fostering engagement because they captivate and connect with audiences in a brief yet impactful manner. By leveraging Reels' visual and auditory appeal, content creators can effectively convey their message, entertain, and inform their audience, stimulating interactions and fostering a sense of community. The burstiness of Reels, combined with their potential to go viral, positions them as a potent instrument for boosting engagement and expanding one's reach on Instagram. What factors affect the best time to post IG Reels? When posting Instagram Reels, knowing the best time to post is crucial for maximizing engagement. Factors influencing the best posting time include your target audience's demographics, time zone, and daily habits. Understanding these factors is essential for effective content dissemination. Analyze your audience insights. Use Instagram Insights to access data on your followers' peak activity hours, allowing you to tailor your posting schedule to align with these times. Rely on this data to schedule your Instagram Reels at the optimal times to reach the largest audience and maximize engagement. You may even increase your audience size. What are the peak engagement times for IG Reels? Before diving into creating and scheduling your Instagram Reels, it's imperative to understand the peak engagement times for maximum reach. Analyzing when your audience is most active can significantly boost the visibility and impact of your content. Weekday peak times. On weekdays, the prime time to post Instagram Reels is between 7 and 9 p.m. This time frame aligns with the end of the workday and early evening when individuals are likely to be unwinding and browsing social media platforms. Moreover, a secondary peak is observed during lunch from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. as people take breaks and engage with online content. Weekend peak times. During the weekends, Instagram Reels witness heightened engagement during the late morning and early afternoon, particularly from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Additionally, the evening hours, from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., yield substantial interaction as users are more leisurely and receptive to entertaining content. International audience considerations for best time to post IG Reels. For creators with an international following, understanding the time zone differences is crucial for optimizing engagement. Reels for maximum impact across diverse time zones. Cross-referencing peak times for various regions can aid in constructing a tailored posting schedule to cater to a global viewership. What are the strategies for the best time to post IG Reels and maximize Reel engagement? Using hashtags strategically. When maximizing engagement on your Instagram Reels, strategically using hashtags is crucial. Research popular and relevant hashtags in your niche and incorporate them into your Reel captions. Aim for a mix of broad and niche-specific hashtags to increase your content's discoverability. Leverage trending audio and effects. Another effective strategy for boosting IG Reels engagement is leveraging trending audio and effects. Incorporating these popular elements into your Reels can capture the attention of a wider audience and increase the likelihood of your content being featured on the Explore page. Additionally, utilizing creative and captivating effects can make your Reels stand out and encourage viewers to engage with your content. Collaborating with other creators is a powerful way to increase engagement on your IG Reels. You can tap into their audience and broaden your reach by teaming up with influencers or content creators in your niche. Additionally, collaborative Reels often attract higher engagement as they offer a unique blend of creative styles and personalities. Look for opportunities to co-create Reels with like-minded creators, fostering a sense of community and expanding the visibility of your content. In summary, timing is crucial to maximize engagement on your Instagram Reels. Posting during peak hours, such as early mornings and evenings, can help you reach a larger audience. Additionally, analyzing your audience insights and experimenting with different posting times can provide valuable data to determine the best time for your specific followers. Consistency is key, so stay vigilant and adapt your posting schedule based on your audience's behavior. Read the full blog post at inspiretothrive.com.